Greetings, Surplus here. I hope you're having a blessed day. Now, I just did a video and I was about to post it on Facebook when I noticed a strange occurrence. For some reason, Facebook seemed to be down. And I tried two links that I have for Facebook. I even deliberately typed Facebook in Google and it did not appear. Well, the link was there, but when you hit the link, it told you that the server is down. So, I thought that maybe this was just a local occurrence. Maybe only Google was working today. Or maybe Facebook was blocked on my computer for some reason. Maybe I got a virus. So I did another check. I typed in surplusmusic.com just to check if that one was working. And yeah, it worked. Surplusmusic.com. So if you want to check out if surplusmusic.com is working, you can also check. I think it's working. Bruh. You can check it out. Yes, I'm shameless. Anyways, so I did some more searching. Apparently, there has been an outage of not just Facebook, but Instagram and WhatsApp. And I check my WhatsApp just to make sure. It seemed to be working. I'm receiving homework from my teacher for my children. They're in class right now. So WhatsApp seems to be working in Jamaica. But according to these results, it may be out in Indonesia. And I've not checked Instagram as yet, but I suspect there are a lot of people going crazy right now because some people, I believe their life depends on Instagram. But I'm not putting in my opinion in this. Yes, let's keep it unbiased. And, because maybe I'm a hypocrite. Because I just checked to see if YouTube is working, and yes, YouTube was working. So, so I guess I am just as guilty as those people who may be losing it right now for finding out that Instagram is down. Because maybe if I found out that YouTube was down, I'd be losing it also. All right, so this is a developing story. I'm going to be watching it. I know there are going to be some conspiracy theorists out there that say something is up, but let's watch it. So until we get further details, this has been Surplus with a story on the radar. Peace.